In the physical pendulum lab, you will be measuring the oscillation period of a steel bar on a low-friction mount.
The bar is made to go onto an axle with different threading on either end. It's made to go in clockwise into the mount, like so. Then the bar goes onto the mount on the axle. Finally, the other end has a wing nut that can screw in clockwise to hold the bar in place. If you can't screw in the axle, try screwing in the other end. We've supplied you with a few measuring tools. Let's go through a couple of them. This is a plumb bob. You can suspend it from the axle to find where straight down is. This is the photogate. There's an infrared emitter on one side and an infrared detector on the other. The photogate senses when you block the infrared light. This is the LabPro system. It is the interface between your photogate and your computer.
The photogate works with a program called Logger Pro that is loaded onto your computer. To find Logger Pro, go to the Start menu, scroll down to Brand Software, and run Logger Pro. Now, before you begin using the software, you need to set up the sensors. So go to Experiment, Set up Sensors, Lab Pro. And from there, click on the photogate and change the mode to pendulum timing. This ensures that the photogate gives you a period of the swings of your pendulum. From there, you can collect the data. And I'm going to quickly run my fingers through the photogate to have some data to collect. Now, it will only do this for a limited period of time, so if the default data collection period isn't long enough, then you can change it, and I'll quickly show you how. So go to Experiment, Data Collection, and then you can change the duration of the data collection. Finally, when you've collected enough data, then you can go export your data as a CSV file. I'm going to call this Physical Pendulum September 17th. And what's the time right now? 6:29. Save on the desktop. And let's quickly take a look at the file format for this data. There you go. You get the periods in this column.